Hi, my name's Emily, and today I want to go over the operation of the quick drop stabilizer. Here at Lippert, it's very important to us that you as an owner know how to use our products and to make sure that they're working for you. So let's grab our tools and get started. When you're coming to your campsite, there's a few procedures that you'll always perform to get ready for your camping experience. One of them is always stabilization. So to begin the stabilization of extension for these, you'll disconnect the safety chain and you'll use your cordless drill to extend this. You'll put the cordless drill with that 3/4 inch socket on that hex coupler, and you'll put it in clockwise rotation, and make sure that you use a non-impact drill. So this drill is not impact. An impact can damage your system. So you'll extend, and you're looking for that 90-degree angle with this inner arm, and make sure that it passes that visual guide at the bottom. And you make sure that this inner arm does not go past that 90-degree angle, because that can cause binding of your system and it will make it harder to retract when you're getting ready to leave. And as you can see, our foot pad's not quite touching the ground, so we'll use this quick drop spring latch and extend it. And we still can't get quite good connection, so we'll retract a little, going counterclockwise with our drill. And then we'll do the same thing with the spring latch and extend it another ring and extend one more time. Our drill struggled a little bit because it was making that contact with the ground, but we didn't make so much force on this inner arm that it lifted or supported the entire weight of our trailer. So if you don't have a cordless drill, you may be using a ratchet wrench or the hand crank. To use the hand crank, you'll perform the same operation and engage that hex coupler and manually turn it clockwise or counterclockwise until you get that good angle of 90 degrees for your inner arm and you're past that visual gauge. If you are extending? If you're retracting, obviously you'll put it all the way back into that retract travel position. When you're getting ready to leave your campsite, you'll want to make sure that all your quick drops are back into the travel position. You'll take that drill and go counterclockwise. Bring that foot pad up a little bit and take this key ring and put this all the way back up to make sure it's in a good position for travel. If it's extended out too far, it will hang out past the end of your trailer, and that's not safe. Make sure you don't go too fast and make sure that it doesn't slam back up into the body assembly. And now that it's tight into that travel position, you'll take your safety chain and reattach it to the foot pad. Thank you for joining us today for the operation of the quick drop stabilizer. In the description below, there's links to our support website and to our Lippert communities. And I hope all of these things can help you camp with confidence.